welcome to another video. Today I am doing another unboxing. This time is of another Numatic. We're currently in the middle of lockdown, so I'm buying an awful lot of vacuum cleaners. This one I'll need this for, which is a 110 volt transformer. But yeah, it was quite cheap on eBay, this one. It was 20 quid, about a tenner postage. So say 30 quid in all. Not too dear. This one's only got a hose with it actually. So yeah, that's the only thing. So let's just try and chop away at the box. I'm not turning it around, it's got my address on two sides of the box. I can turn it around this way because I ain't got my address here. I mean, yeah, trying to get this open is going to be a nightmare by lots of things. Right, there we go. Let's try and pull that up like that. And yeah, it's quite dirty actually, this one. It is a 1991 nv380. So there's the machine in all its pretty dirty glory. Yeah, not the best condition. They've put tape over the blower outlet for some reason or another. Don't know why it is, but I've got a got quite a few of the screw cap things that go on here. So obviously they don't know that's for blowing. Oh, it's got the cold hook, which is good as well. So let's take that out. I don't know why people do this. Put bloody tape over things. It's not meant to have tape on them. But yeah, some people are idiots. So yeah, here we go. Here's the machine. It is very dirty. We've got a nice length 38mm hose with this as well. Christ, it's dirty. All the dirt's coming off my carpet. Right, we've got 38mm hose missing the end. Might have a spare one of those anyway. Here's the plug, quite an old looking 110 plug on that. Let's check it is 110, yes it is 110. Let's unravel the cable. I was literally only pictured like that with the hose wrapped around it. We've got the cable tied like that. I'm guessing it might be broken inside. Not too sure really. Rolling around inside, and yes, it is very dirty in there. So put the top back on. I might actually put a red switch in this, and oh god, it's got a huge dent in the front as well. But I might be able to tap that out. And also the top is quite flaky. So I might even respray the top as it goes. I've got some black paint in the shed. This will all come off in the wash. But yeah, it's a 91 nv380. I haven't got one of these either, which is cool. I'm hoping this plug will actually fit in this transformer because it looks a bit different. No, it doesn't actually fit in my transformer. So what I'm going to do is I'll take this out to the shed and I'm going to put another plug on it because that does not fit into my transformer. This is an old style. I don't know whether, yeah, it's an NV380. I didn't know if it was an AV380, which is ones for air, they use for aircraft kind of things. But yeah, the tub's in alright condition actually as it goes. Yeah, I'm hoping that dent might bash out, and yeah, I'll probably mask the name off. I might even respray the top of it anyway, because I mean with a wire brush and stuff, all this paint will come off. It's all, you can hear it, it's all bubbling and stuff. But yeah, I've got some black paint, some gloss black paint, a bit of paint on this. It will look very nice actually. But yeah, I ain't got one of these, so it's nice to have one. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll take it down to the shed because it is quite dirty actually. It goes, and we'll test it down there instead because it is. Yeah, it's got a different plug on it, and I think I've got a spare 110 plug in the shed, or I'll just chop one off an extension lead I've got. But yeah, anyway, let's go down to the shed. Alright, so here I've got the machine outside. New plug on it, or newer style 110 on. It's going to be a bit dodgy plugging this in because I only do in one hand. That's it. Right, so we plugged in. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, fair in noise, but it works. Yeah, it works. So here I've got the machine in the shed. We're just going to clean out some bits with it really. So turn that on there. Just clean the shed. Pretty decent suction on it. So yeah, it works alright actually, not too bad for the age. But yeah, there will be an after video. I'll probably repaint it up, smash the dent out of it, actually probably put a red switch in it as well, make it look even better. Diffuser on the back, and yeah, we'll clean up alright. But there we go, there is my 1991 Numatic nv380. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.